Rita Marley, the queen of reggae and matriarch of a legacy. Alfarita Constantia Marley, better known as Rita Marley, is more than just the widow of reggae legend Bob Marley. She is a musical powerhouse, cultural ambassador, and devoted humanitarian in her own right. Born on July 25, 1946, in Santiago de Cuba, and raised in Kingston, Jamaica, Rita rose from humble beginnings to become a central figure in the global spread of reggae music and Rastafarian culture. Her life has been marked by resilience, artistic achievement, and an unwavering commitment to her family and community. Before we continue, kindly hit that subscribe button as we target to reach 1,000 subscribers to expand our community. Rita's musical journey began in the 1960s as a member of the Soulettes, an all-female vocal group mentored by legendary producer Clement Coxsone Dodd. During this time, she met a young Bob Marley, who would later become her husband and musical collaborator. Their relationship blossomed, and in 1966, the couple married. As a member of the I-Threes, the iconic trio that included Judy, Mowatt, and Marcia Griffiths, Rita provided harmonious backing vocals for Bob Marley and the Wailers, contributing to the soulful and uplifting sound that catapulted reggae to international fame. While her husband was the face of reggae's global revolution, Rita was its steadfast backbone. Her rich, resonant voice can be heard on timeless classics like No Woman, No Cry, One Love, and Buffalo Soldier. Beyond supporting Bob's music, Rita embarked on a successful solo career. Her albums, such as Who Feels It Knows It, 1981, and Harambe, 1982, showcased her powerful vocals and her ability to blend reggae rhythms with spiritual and socially conscious lyrics. Songs like One Draw and Who Feels It Knows It have become reggae anthems in their own right. After Bob Marley's untimely death in 1981, Rita took on the monumental task of preserving his legacy while raising their children. She founded the Bob Marley Foundation, which supports charitable initiatives in Jamaica and around the world, focusing on education, healthcare, and community development. Her philanthropic efforts earned her numerous accolades, including the Order of Distinction from the Jamaican government and the Marcus Garvey Lifetime Award. Rita Marley's influence extends beyond music and philanthropy. As a staunch advocate of Rastafarian culture, she has been a voice for African unity and empowerment. In the 1990s, she relocated to Ghana, where she immersed herself in African traditions and became a bridge between Jamaica and the African continent. Her autobiography, No Woman, No Cry, My Life with Bob Marley, offers an intimate look into her life, showcasing her strength and resilience through personal and professional trials. Today, Rita Marley is celebrated not only as the queen of reggae but also as a global icon of love, strength, and perseverance. Her legacy is cemented in her music, philanthropy, and the Marley family, which continues to influence and inspire the world. Rita's life is a testament to the enduring power of reggae and the spirit of a woman who has dedicated herself to uplifting others through her art and actions. For fans of reggae and stories of triumph, Rita Marley's journey is a timeless inspiration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more engaging stories about legendary icons like Rita Marley.